Yeah, thank you for watching wherever you're watching from. My name is Peter as usual. Welcome to Learn Luganda channel. On this channel we always learn about Luganda, about Buganda, about people living in Uganda. Always we try to see the culture, the history, everything about Buganda and Uganda may I say in particular, whatever. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. Today let's look at types of syllables. Previously, we had a chance to see uh, how to join consonants and you get a syllable and then you come up with a word. So now, today let's try to see types of syllables when we are writing or reading Luganda. You're going to forgive my sound. My voice is not that good because I'm having flu. I'm having headache, but I was like, no, I have to come and shoot this video so that I can give the content and give information to my people who are following. And by the way, thanks for subscribing. So far, so good. But keep on subscribing. We are yet to go there. And I like at least we get a minimum of 1,000 people. Then I promise you, I'll be giving you more content. I believe in you. I know you always, you remember what we had in previous videos, like how many vowels we have, how many consonants we have, how many those letters we don't have in Luganda, yet they use it in English. Like that, I think you know those things. And if you can't, if you like you're forgetting, you can go back and you watch those videos and you recall what we had in those previous videos. Generally, Luganda has 6 types of syllables. We have 6 types of syllables in Luganda, and we are going to see them and we break them down as we always do. And don't forget, we are sponsored by Curtain Home and Interiors UG. They are located at Namland and Road. You can reach them out and see how you can work out with your room. They have all the beddings you need. They have curtain rods. They have curtains in all types. They have everything you need. Carpets, they have towels, they have everything. You just need to tap their number, which is moving down there, and see how you can deal with them. And actually, when you call them, tell them, I got this information that you have good things from Kabugo Peter UG. There you can get whatever you need at least a fair price, because they will be giving a discount because they're the ones sponsoring here. So they will be just to know that you're a good person and you know where to find good content. In Luganda, we have syllables. We have short syllables. We have long syllables. We have stressed and short. We have stressed and long. Don't worry, we're going to break them down. We're going to see how short looks like, how long looks like, how stressed and long looks like, how stressed and short looks like. Okay, so just chill, keep watching. You're going to be getting everything. We have 2 groups consonants with a vowel. 2 groups consonants with a vowel. Remember, we are looking at types of syllables we have in Luganda, and I've told you we have 6 of them. And we have 3 grouped consonants with a vowel. I told you we have 3 grouped consonants with a vowel. That is 1. We have 2 grouped consonants with a vowel. Those are 2. We have stressed and long. Those are 3. Stressed and long. We have stressed and short. Those are 4. Stressed and short. Those are 4. We have short syllables. Those are 5. Short syllables, they are 5. And then we have long syllable. Those are 7. And we're going to be breaking them down. So don't get worried. Remember, syllables, I told you, those are enyingo in Luganda. Syllables, we call them enyingo. Enyingo. Now, there's a person who asked me a question. Like, it was like, now, there is a nyingo, there is a nyingo. So, sometimes a nyingo, it is joints where bones are connected. That's that place. where bones meet, we call them a nyingo. Okay, we have, as you can see, a sugar cane. There's that round thing where the thing can end, that thing which is eatable, where they keep on connecting. We also call them a nyingo. Okay, and we have these syllables. We also call them a nyingo, but we differentiate them differently, and there's a way we break them down to get the difference, and we will reach there when time comes. So now let's first look at syllables and how they sound: short, long, stressed, like that. Now, what is a short syllable? A short syllable it is that thing where we get only one vowel plus one consonant. That is what we call a short syllable. It contains only one vowel and one consonant. For example, M and A, that is ma, that is a short syllable. Ta and a, that is ta, it is a short syllable. So you can get any consonant plus one consonant plus one syllable to give a short syllable, to get a short syllable. Now, a long syllable, here we have two vowels. Here we have two vowels with one consonant. Here we have single consonant, or you can call it one consonant, plus double vowels. For example, M-A-A, or you can call ma-a-a, ma. Okay, you get the whole logic. Yes, and short, it is single consonant, single vowel. Now we've come to long, we are getting two vowel or double vowel. Remember, in Luganda, we don't put together different vowels in a word. Like you write E and after you put I in a single word. No. We always either you put two same vowels. If not that, we can't put two different vowels together before a consonant. I think you get what I'm saying. So, for a single vowel, you can say pa and nebabili, P and two A's, to sound pa. P and two A's, that is pa. Stressed and short. Here we get double consonants and one vowel. We get double consonants and one vowel. For example, mabili, two M's and one A, ma. Double D and A, dabili ne a, da. So those are stressed and short. We have stressed and long. Stressed and long. Here we are getting two consonants and two vowels. Two consonants and two vowels. Those are stressed and long. For example, double M and double A, ma. Mabili ne a bili. That is stressed and long. We have two grouped consonants. Now here we get two different consonants plus one vowel. Example, ka ne ya ne e, K and Y and E, che. Pa ne wa ne a, P and W and A, it is poa. Da ne wa ne a, D and W and A, it is dua. Okay, we're having two different consonants and we're having a vowel. They are not the same. You get T and W and A. Ta ne a ne, ta ne wa ne a. It is tua. You get the whole thing. We have three grouped consonants. Now here we get three consonants and a vowel. For example, na, ne ya, ne wa, ne a. We have N and Y and W and A. That's a full word actually, but it's also a syllable. It is nywa, nywa, drink. N and W, I know, N and Y and W and A. Na, ne, ya, ne, wa, ne, a, nywa. I think that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. I always like to make short videos for you, 10 minutes to 15 to 12 around there, so that you can get, data to watch it. And for me, it is okay to keep on rewatching. You watch it and come back, rewatch it again, so that you can enjoy what you're learning. Because I know people here subscribe to learn. Okay. Thank you for watching. My name is Kabgo Peter. Sabsaja Kabaka Wangali.